We had an old piece of furniture my wife wanted to throw out, but I kept it down here in the garage. Then I relocated it over here where it currently rests. And right next to that was another good deal on Facebook Marketplace. Got this set right here, this drawer set here. It needed some work on it, but I got it for a really good price at a fraction of the cost which you'd pay for new. And so now it all starts to come together. By this time, I had already done some home improvement projects, and I started accumulating lots of shop equipment. Where was I going to store everything? Well, I custom made this storage cabinet here, and wait till you see what I've got in there. What's in here? Maybe in a future video, I'll show you what's in there. It has to do with shop equipment.